LLC Don't Show Credit Tips. Briefly, guys, today I will be going over why the removal of old addresses will help you during your dispute process. So, some people fail to realize and they get it misconstrued that addresses, old addresses, and things like place of employment can play a critical role in the dispute process. So, some reasons that you are receiving your letters back when you send out a dispute letter are because old addresses and places of employment are still reporting to your credit profile, and it may be multiple addresses and numerous places of employment. Bonus tip: this also can affect you when you're going to apply for credit products with any institution. Most times, when you have multiple recent jobs reporting on your credit profile, multiple addresses, that can show the banks in their eyes, they feel like you're not stable, which can result in you not getting the credit product that you desire when going to apply at any institution that you desire. So the items such as charge-offs, collections, maybe even judgments could be reported to your credit profile, but alongside with the old addresses, it just makes it even more of a hassle reporting to your credit profile, and it can negatively report. But that's basically all the game that I brought to you guys today. You know what I'm saying? LC Don't Show Credit Tips. To link up with me, man, follow my Instagram link down below at atm.don'tshow. Until next time, man, we gone.